How much can you withdraw from Monzo a day? Hook. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to withdraw cash from your Monzo account, but you weren't sure how much you could take out at once? If so, you're not alone. Many people are unsure about the withdrawal limits for their Monzo accounts. In this video, we're going to answer the question, how much can you withdraw from Monzo a day? Body. What is Monzo? Before we get into the specifics of Monzo withdrawal limits, let's take a quick look at what Monzo is. Monzo is a digital bank that offers a range of financial products, including current accounts, debit cards, and overdrafts. Monzo is known for its innovative features and user-friendly interface. How much can you withdraw from Monzo a day? The amount of money you can withdraw from Monzo in a day depends on a few factors, including your account type and your spending habits. Standard Monzo account. The standard Monzo account has a daily withdrawal limit of £2,500. This means that you can withdraw up to £2,500 from your account at any ATM or bank branch in the UK. Monzo Plus account. The Monzo Plus account has a daily withdrawal limit of £5,000. This means that you can withdraw up to £5,000 from your account at any ATM or bank branch in the UK. Monzo Premium account. The Monzo Premium account has a daily withdrawal limit of £10,000. This means that you can withdraw up to £10,000 from your account at any ATM or bank branch in the UK. In addition to the daily withdrawal limit, there are also some weekly and monthly withdrawal limits. Weekly withdrawal limit. The weekly withdrawal limit is the total amount of money you can withdraw from your account in a 7-day period. The weekly withdrawal limit for all Monzo accounts is £10,000. Monthly withdrawal limit. The monthly withdrawal limit is the total amount of money you can withdraw from your account in a 30-day period. The monthly withdrawal limit for all Monzo accounts is £20,000. It is important to note that these are the default withdrawal limits for Monzo accounts. However, you can increase your withdrawal limits by contacting Monzo customer support. How to increase your Monzo withdrawal limits. If you need to withdraw more than the default daily, weekly, or monthly limit, you can contact Monzo customer support and request an increase. Monzo will review your request and decide whether or not to increase your limits. When requesting an increase to your withdrawal limits, you will need to provide some information about your financial situation, such as your income and employment status. You may also need to provide evidence of your identity, such as a copy of your passport or driving license. What happens if I exceed my Monzo withdrawal limit? If you attempt to withdraw more money than your daily, weekly, or monthly limit, your transaction will be declined. You will receive a notification from Monzo informing you that your withdrawal has been declined. How to withdraw money from Monzo? There are a few different ways to withdraw money from your Monzo account. ATM. You can withdraw money from your Monzo account at any ATM in the UK. Simply insert your Monzo card into the ATM and enter your PIN. Bank branch. You can withdraw money from your Monzo account at any bank branch in the UK. Simply go to the bank branch and present your Monzo card and ID. In-app withdrawal. You can also withdraw money from your Monzo account using the Monzo app. To do this, simply open the app and select the withdraw option. Then, enter the amount of money you want to withdraw and select the withdrawal method. Additional tips. Be aware of the fees. When withdrawing money from your Monzo account, you may be charged a fee by the ATM or bank branch. Monzo does not charge any fees for withdrawing money from your account. Check your balance before withdrawing. It is always a good idea to check your balance before withdrawing money from your account. This will help you avoid overdrawing your account. Use your Monzo card for contactless payments. Monzo cards are contactless enabled, which means that you can tap your card on a contactless terminal to pay for goods and services. This is a quick and easy way to pay, and it can help you avoid queues at ATMs. Conclusion. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions about how much you can withdraw from Monzo, please feel free to leave a comment below. Call to action. If you're not already using Monzo, I encourage you to give it a try. Monzo is a great bank for people who want a convenient, user-friendly, and affordable banking experience. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, happy banking. Here are some additional points to consider when writing your YouTube video script. Use a conversational tone. Your script should be written in a conversational tone that will engage your viewers. Use visuals. Use visuals to help illustrate your points and make your video more interesting. Keep your script concise. Don't try to cram too much information into your script. Keep it concise and to the point. Proofread your script. Before you publish your video, be sure to proofread your script carefully for any errors. By following these tips, you can write an engaging and informative YouTube video script that will help your viewers learn more about how much they can withdraw from Monzo a day.